Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a wise old monk named Master Sito. He was known for his wisdom and great sense of humor. One day, a young man named Sam came to him and said, "Master, I want to learn the secret to happiness and success. Please teach me." Master Sito smiled and said, "I will teach you, but first you must do a simple task. Go to the market, find the biggest and juiciest watermelon, carry it on your head, and walk through the village without dropping it." Sam was confused but eager to learn. He went to the market and picked the biggest watermelon he could find. Carefully, he placed it on his head and started walking through the village. As he walked, people laughed, clapped, and cheered. Some made funny faces to distract him, but he stayed focused and kept walking. After a long and tricky walk, Sam finally reached Master Sito's hut. He was relieved the watermelon was still safe on his head. He smiled, expecting praise from the master. But to his surprise, Master Sito started laughing loudly. Wiping tears of laughter from his eyes, the master said, "Well done, young one, but do you understand the lesson?" Sam was confused. The master continued, "Life is like carrying that watermelon. It is full of challenges and surprises. But if you take things lightly and have a sense of humor, you will enjoy the journey. No matter how hard life gets, if you can smile and laugh, you will find happiness even in difficult times." Sam thought for a moment and suddenly understood. He also started laughing. From that day on, he decided to live life with a smile, facing problems with the same patience and focus he had used to carry the watermelon. Whenever he felt stressed or sad, he remembered the funny watermelon challenge and found the strength to keep going. Life will always bring challenges, but if we face them with a light heart and humor, the journey becomes easier and more enjoyable. So, don't take life too seriously. When you feel down, think about a funny moment from your past and let it cheer you up. A smile and a positive attitude can make any problem easier to handle. Thank you for reading this story. Stay happy and blessed.